Hi, my name is Terry. We're out here at the Ankeny Training Department. I've been with TMC for about 9 years now, about 4 years as a company driver, and about 5 years out here at the training department. Today we're actually going to be talking about proper mirror adjustment. Okay, it's wise to have your mirrors adjusted properly so that you can see all your surroundings and be aware of where everything is around you to keep you safe at all times and those around you as well. So first we're going to start with actually how we should properly adjust our seats so we are sitting properly in the truck to be having the best visibility. All right, so here we go. Let's get started. All right, as you can see, I just got in this vehicle and this is definitely not the proper way to be sitting in the truck. My seat is too low, my back is leaning too far back, and my steering wheel is too high. So let's adjust a little bit. We should raise the seat until your knees are parallel with your hips, even with your hips, okay? That keeps your legs nice and flat and level, and your back should be upright so that you can be in an upright position, okay? You also don't want to be too far away from the controls. As you can see, I can just barely touch the fuel pedal here and my heel cannot touch the ground. That's not very good control. So we're going to move the seat forward just a little bit and bring it down just a little bit so that our heel of our foot can properly touch the floor and we can control the vehicle with ease. Okay, this is going to put my body and my head in a position where I can properly see my mirrors and pay attention to where everything is around me. Here we are, we're going to start adjusting these mirrors. First, we're going to start with the flat mirror up here on top, okay? We want it adjusted so that we can see about 1/3 of the horizon in the top of the mirror. And we want it adjusted as far out as we can get it so that we can still just barely see some of the edge of the trailer and have as much visibility as far out as possible. And when we come down to the convex mirror down here, we pretty much want to do it the same way. We want to have it down low enough and out far enough that we have the best visibility as far to the left as we can. And the same setup for that. We should just barely not be able to see the horizon in the convex mirror, and we should barely be able to see just a little bit of the tractor and trailer on the right side of that convex mirror. Be adjusting the mirror on the right hand side. We're going to pretty much adjust it the same as we did on our driver's side over here. Side. So we're just barely going to be able to see a little bit of the trailer on the left side of our flat mirror up top there, and see just about 1/3 of the horizon back there. That way we keep the best visibility on our right side just as much as we do on the left side. All right, and we have one more mirror left. We have a convex mirror that's right above the passenger window over here. Not too many guys know about it or understand what it should be used for. It is to see directly to the right of this vehicle, your tractor trailer. And it is great for seeing the vehicles that are directly to the right of your truck, so that we keep an eye on what's right next to us as well. So now we've got all of our mirrors adjusted. One thing to keep in mind that if you're ever in a tight spot or any type of confined space, you want to remember to use your goal to get out and look often. Okay, if you have any objects around your vehicle that you're unsure of where they are and they have gone out of the side of your mirrors, you could move your head around and try to find those objects, but the best thing is to actually stop. Let's get out and see what's around the vehicle. Thanks for joining me today for learning how to set up our mirrors properly. TMC takes safety very seriously. We want you to be able to see as much as you can possibly see around your vehicle at all times. Thanks for joining me and have a wonderful day.